Hey folks, start out with Go Eagles. And I'm Mark. We're going to do a quick review of a market report for Google Ads for concrete contractors in Nashville, Tennessee. Good old Nashville. We're going through concrete contractors in 5 different cities across the country. This is Nashville. I'm also going to do keyword research videos for this niche, this city, and a lot of others. Show you how this is done. Let's take a quick look at our market overview. So I ran a report for 72 hours, targeting 4 keywords. I'm going to share them with you now. Concrete contractors near me, which you can see was the most frequent ad. Concrete repair near me, foundation repair near me, and concrete company near me. This is interesting because foundation repair has almost always been the number one in every market that I've been in. Now let's see how competitive this market is. It's going to be like almost every market for concrete, almost every market in Google Ads. It's super competitive. Here we've got Mammoth Landscape and Quick Fence Company. Interesting. Are the number 1, 2 competitors up here. There's always a couple of guys that really own the market. Then we've got a bunch of secondary players who are throwing some money at it. And as usual, you've got some down here that are either just have super small budgets, they're bidding super low. Nashville's not their primary market. But again, you've got a ton of competitors. How many did it say that we had? 26 competitors, 14 for search ads, 12 for local service ads. Let's take a quick look at some of the ads. I'm going to suspect something right off the bat. These are concrete companies. These ads are going to be boring. You need to make your ads stand out. Use some ChatGPT, get some nice headlines, features, benefits, dollars. Get them in the headlines, something interesting. Titan Concrete Company. The last thing you want, Titan Concrete Company, please reach out to me. Let me help you. Is your headline to be your company name. Nobody cares. You want $100 off first visit, $500 repair, number 1. You want something in there. The number 1 fastest response time in the business. You want something compelling. Foundation repair company. You've been here for 30 years. Oh, boy. Okay. Number 1, at least look at that. Number 1 concrete service provider. Speak with a specialist. Now, I'm interested in that. They've got repairs. You can call today for a free estimate. That's something. Come on, folks. A low maintenance concrete patio. So concrete contractors near me. What am I looking for? Am I looking for a patio? We don't really know, do we? So don't advertise patios if someone's using a generic term. Maybe that's all you do. Then just search for patios near me. Use that keyword. Let's take a look at some of these other ones. We've got some Google ads mixed in here. That's interesting. I wonder if their local service ads get mixed in here. Concrete crack repairs, serving you for 30 plus years. I mean, it's something. How long you've been around is more interesting to you typically than the client because they want, to know when you're going to come out to see them. They want to know how quick they can get an estimate. They want to know how good you are at your job. The fact you've been around, maybe. But, again, boring ad copy. Let's take a look at a couple landing pages. My guess is we're going to go to home pages. Let's take a look at foundation repair near me, DFX repair. Let's see where we go. We are going to a landing page. I stand corrected. Well, it's really just, it's on a subdomain, so I thought it was a landing page. This is really just a website. They've got a chat, a double chat. Interesting. They do have, schedule free evaluation, a phone number, a form. I mean, it's not the worst I've ever seen. Nashville's number 1 foundation repair services. It's not bad. This is what they do. These are the features, the benefits. Phone number gets you free evaluation. Okay, I'm going to give you a big thumbs up. Where's my camera? Big thumbs up. Good job, DFX. Proud of you. Now, before you try to get me on your chat box, let's take a look at someone else. Let's take a look at Service Master. That's interesting. Foundation repair near me, property damage restoration. I don't think you should be really advertising for foundation repair. I don't think that's your market. Legendary shine, concrete resurfacing. I feel like that's a tough one for concrete contractors. So let's try to find one more pool up there. Okay, TriStar Concrete. Let's see where the driveway people are sending us. It's their homepage. I'm pretty sure. Yep, it's their homepage. But at least their homepage is designed like a landing page. It's got a phone number. It's got a form. They're not all required, it doesn't look like. I don't love this part. Come on, let's use some bullet points. Let's talk like we're proud of ourselves and what we do. That's just, tiny little print. But Could be worse. Concrete design is firmly focused on you. Need some pictures here. We need a little something to juice this up, but it's okay. One of the good things, if you're in the concrete space and you use someone like me or Inbound Revenue, my company, to do your Google ads, we're going to give you a kick-ass landing page. We're going to give you call tracking, lead tracking. We're going to write really interesting ad copy. We're going to create a really interesting landing page with features and benefits. Why do I mention all this? Because you're going to stand out. Doesn't take much to stand out some of these very traditional service niches. I'm going to get off of here because this is running too long. Mark Kelly, Inbound Revenue. Just remember, always be marketing. Don't forget that.